Hi, this is Heather with the Personal Relationship Firm. In this video, I'm going to introduce the shortcode generator to you. Your theme comes complete with a great tool that allows you to utilize high functioning shortcodes in your site, which is basically a fancy way of saying it does cool visual tricks for you without requiring you to know as much as, say, a PHP code writer does. So if I go ahead and go underneath, I've gone ahead and created a new page. I've just named it Testing Shortcodes. You'll see that there's the blank text box, and underneath that you'll see In Focus Shortcode Generator. And if I click on this box and say choose, I'm going to see all the options here. Now, most of the things that you're probably going to want to do initially is create new portfolio pages or blog pages. For example, if you want to create a visual testimonial on a client, you want to add several different images. You might say, okay, I'm going to create a portfolio page, and all right, how do I want that to display? In a grid or in a list? So all right, now how many columns? All right, I think I want 2 columns. How many posts? That means how many entries do you want to display on that page? I recommend between 6 and 8 in a 2 column so that your pages don't get too long. And then I can say, all right, now what existing portfolio category am I going to be pulling from? So let's go ahead and I'm just going to create a quick video page for the Dressing Brilliantly DVD. So you'll see I want it to display as a portfolio in a grid in 2 columns, 6 entries on the page. I'm going to pull only the videos from Dressing Brilliantly. And then this is an optional thing to set portfolio post offset. We're really not using that too much in yours. And then down here I can say a couple other things, such as if I wanted to disable the date, if I wanted things to just have a flat information but not have the date it was published, and so on and so forth. And then once I've answered all those questions, I'm just going to select this little button here, Send Shortcode to Editor. Once I do that, it is going to create that nice little code for me. Let's go ahead and do this one more time. There we go. And you'll see it'll say bracket. That's letting me know it's a short code. Portfolio, grid column equals 2, show post, 6 posts, category Dressing Brilliantly. Now, if I was just working on this and I wanted to not have it go live until I was truly satisfied, the first thing I'm going to want to do is save it as a draft. That way it's not live to anyone except for administrators of the site. And then the second thing I want to do is I'm going to select preview. That's going to open up another tab and let me see what I just created. So if you see right here, we just created in a mere matter of seconds a custom display of information that's already in your website, now sorting just the Dressing Brilliantly DVD. Now, once I've done that, I can say, okay, wait a minute, I know I want to make a change. So I'm going to go back in here and say, all right, I want to edit this. Now, since this is from a very specific product called Dressing Brilliantly, I'm going to go ahead and title it that. And then save it again as a draft because you guys haven't told me if you want a particular category for that so that you can send people just to watch the videos on that topic. And then here we go. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to add information that is being displayed in portfolios and posts.